So let's do an example of each. The first example has only one term in the bottom. So all we need to do is multiply by I in the top and bottom. And again, this is 1, so it's perfectly legal. That gets us 7I in the top, 3I squared in the bottom. But I squared is just -1. And then instead of a negative in the bottom, we put the negative out front. Simple as that. Now, if we have two terms, we're going to multiply by the complex conjugate. The complex conjugate of 2 minus 5I would be 2 plus 5I. And so we're going to multiply by 2 plus 5I in the top and the bottom. Now, in the top, we're going to have to FOIL that out. We're going to have first, outside, inside, last. And in the bottom, we have a difference of squares. So we're going to square the 2 minus square the 5I. Now, my suggestion to you at this point is don't worry about combining like terms or anything else. Just handle the I squareds. So in this step, as soon as you see I squareds, that's the only thing you want to deal with, the only thing that you want to handle. So instead of 15I squared, we have 15 times -1, or -15. In the bottom, we have -25 times -I squared. So that becomes plus 25. Now we can combine like terms. And so up top, I have 8 minus 15 is -7. And I have 20I plus 6I is 26I. And in the bottom, I have 29. Now, this is not an acceptable way to write my final answer, because I want to write my answer in A plus BI form. So I want to distribute the 29 to each of these, writing it as -7 over 29 plus 26 over 29I. So there's my A plus BI form. And this is important, that we do want to write it in this way as a true complex number rather than as a complex number in the top divided by some real number.